Let me show you how to get a refund on Amazon. Now, if you're on Amazon on your phone or computer and you accidentally bought something and you want to get a refund of it, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, I'm on my Amazon app here. You can also just do this on Amazon.com. It works the exact same. So depending on if you're on a phone or a computer. Now, let's open up the Amazon app or Amazon.com, and I'm going to tap on the person at the bottom left. And then once I tap on it, you'll see orders at the top left. Now, keep in mind, if you're on a computer, you'll see orders at the very top right of the screen. Just tap on that and you'll get to this exact same screen. Now, from here, you can see various orders that I have had. You can see I order a lot from Amazon. Let's scroll down and say this hair product or basically the granola. Let's say this I wanted to refund and get basically exchanged. You can see this was delivered and it was delivered on December 1st. Keep in mind, you can only get a refund on items usually within 30 days. However, we're right around Christmas, so they do tend to extend that around Christmas time. Now, all I need to do is scroll down. You can see that it was delivered. I'm going to tap on return items. It says eligible through January 31st. After I've done that, it will go through this process. You can choose what you want on here, basically why you're returning it. But let's say I just don't need it anymore. And it says this item was opened, and I can say, no, it wasn't open. You can say, yes, it doesn't matter. You'll still be able to return it. And let's just say, I don't like it, something like that. It usually requires you to enter in some kind of text on here and hit continue. Now, after you've done that, you can see it says automatically they'll give you an Amazon balance refund. However, I usually get a refund to my credit card. I prefer that. So you can tap on that and hit continue. Now, after you've done that, it will say, where would you like to return your items? So it finds an address nearby you, nearby where it was delivered. In this case, Whole Foods, which of course is owned by Amazon, but it could pop up with UPS or FedEx, basically just to bring it to there. Now, after I've confirmed that I wanted to choose that drop-off location, let's say I wanted to choose this Amazon Whole Foods right here. All I have to do is hit confirm return. Now, after you've done that, you don't automatically get that refund because you can see it says, I need to drop this off at the Whole Foods. It gives me a little QR code and it'll also email you that QR code. All you need to do is bring the item, in this case granola, into the Whole Foods or UPS or FedEx and show them this QR code. After you do, they'll take the item and then you'll get that refund either in store credit to Amazon or get a refund back to your credit or debit card. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions.